What it do, everybody? And we are here back at KIDULT TV, and after many light years of searching, I got myself my very own DJ Rex. What it do? Yo, what it do, everybody? Welcome back, and we are here, and we got ourselves DJ Rex. He's in this huge, humongous box. He's got a really big box. This guy is like one of the most expensive droids you can get at Galaxy's Edge. I think he's like $150 because he's not only a droid, an astromech, if you will, but he's also a Bluetooth speaker. He brings his own party. And he's a DJ after all. Look at him. Look at him. He's got his headphones and everything. He's ready to go. Oh, so cool. I finally got him. I can't believe I finally got him.
It's a crazy dream. Star speeder pilot. The blue to Death Star.
Weird. He's pretty cool. So we're going to check him out. We're going to open him up. And we're going to give you like a little review, what I like, what I don't like. And there's a lot that I like about this guy. Let's open him up. All right, he's got like 3 stickers over here. Here's the back of the box. Just want to take a look at him. So he does come with a remote. He has like 2 other hands that aren't attached at the moment, but we put them on anyway. Detachable, replaceable, customized any way you want. He's got his little head visor and his headphones. Oh, it's so cool. Now we take all this tape off. He's got by far the biggest box though, dude. He's got a really big box. I guess after getting him, all I need is now is my C10 droid. I need my chopper droid. You know, I don't know what to do. Oh, here we go. Got it. I don't know what to do. Is either get a custom C10 droid or get chopper, which I do like chopper. All right, so we flip him around. Bam, bam, bam. Open the box. Oh, he's got more tape. Got too much tape. Ah, forget this. There you go. I don't know why. I'm not going to put him back in the box. I don't know why I'm trying to save the box. Ah, cut it open. Ah. Ah. Just cut my fingers off. Hands and fingers. Ooh. Ah. Oh, it's a big box. He's in a big blister pack. See. Come on. Oh man, I finally get to open one of these. Oh, there he came out. Okay, the base stayed in there, see? We don't need that. Ouch. Oh, we do. All right. Oh, we need something to cut this off with. Need some clippers. All right, let's see. We can cut them out this way. There you go. I'm getting you out. I'm getting you out, buddy. I'm getting you out. Yes. Let's see. Where else does he have a blister? Take that out. All right, sweet. I got his little arm. Out. Don't come out. Oh no, that one's part of the body. Oh, I think the remote should come out now. Ah, there you go. There's the remote. Ooh, instructions. Now we don't need those. Oh, he's not coming out. Gotta be careful. You don't want to break them. Really expensive. Ah, he just slid right out. All right, take him out. Oh. There we go. Ah. Ooh, and we got our DJ Rex with both of our hands. Oh. All right. Look at this guy. He's so cool. He's already weathered too. Look at some of it's already weathered. It looks like he's already been beaten up. Ah.
Hey, I swear, that's not safe. Someone could get... I've got a bad feeling about this.
Oh, me, I got a good feeling about this. Let's see, so let's use this hand over here, or what? Oh, how cool, look at that. Oh, he's got a little hand there. Take this little hand out. How does it work? I don't know how it works. Does he have two little hands? Got another hand over here. You can move it any way you want. Oh, he can hold stuff with it. Is that how he's supposed to look? Is that how his hands are supposed to go? Oh, man, check out the instructions. See, what do the instructions have to tell you? Yeah, the big long hand goes on this side. Little hand here, little hand there, middle hand, and big old hand there. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so I did put them in the right way. Bottom Bluetooth pairing, power button. Okay, so there's stuff. Sleep mode. No, DJ Rex will go to sleep if not activated for 5 minutes. Ah. Whoa, these are a lot of batteries. 2 AAAs and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 AA's. Ooh, that's a lot of batteries. All right, well, let's check them out. This doesn't do anything. This doesn't do anything. This doesn't. He's on try me right now. What else does he say?
I have a very bad feeling about this.
What else does he say?
Hi there. This is your DJ. Auto control. All set to go. Welcome aboard. This is the DJ speaking. Make sure you have your drinks secured and your seats in the upright and row position, because we are about to hit some turbulence. If you just joined us, hello, I'm DJ Rex, taking you on a musical tour of the Outer Rim.
What else did he say?
Remember the name, folks. DJ Rex. I'm available for all types of events, weddings, life day celebrations, slime disjoining. I can turn any space into a hyperspace. Just let me know. You're on the deck with DJ Rex. What's your request?
What's your request?
Hi there. We're opening up the request line, so contact us on frequency 10778 and tell us what you'd like to hear.
Oh, this guy's so cool. Oh, here, look, he has another little piece of plastic I didn't see here. I didn't see that. And that's where his little visor, look, now his visor goes down. No, now he looks serious. Look, now he's serious.
Once again, for all you travelers, smugglers, and bounty hunters out there, the name is DJ Rex.
He looks so friendly like that. And then he looks like, look, he closes his eyes.
Hey, a few of you look awfully familiar. Did any of you take a tour to Endor?
Oh, he's so cool. So he is a robot, but he is also a Bluetooth speaker. So let me see, there's a bunch of switches back here. There's like switch, there's an on switch. I think we're on the try me mode. Like it's like try me mode, and it has 2 other switches. I think one of them is a parry button. Let's see, let's check the instructions on it. One button's for remote pairing, one button's for Bluetooth, and one's for just the power button. So slide over for power, I think. Slide over once. Hold on. Okay, cool. So he's on, I think. He might be on robot mode. And by the way, all batteries included with this guy. Lights on.
Hello, folks. I'm DJ Rex.
Ah! That's the Bluetooth speaker. I think we just figured out the Bluetooth speaker part of him. Are his eyes glowing? Oh, his eyes are glowing. That's how you know it's the Bluetooth speaker. Ah, okay, cool. Let's hook him up. DJ Rex, look, there he is, look. Did he show up? DJ Rex, that's crazy. Oh, tell me you guys heard that. It did the Star Tour sound when it went on. What else does he do? Ah, he's got that. Right, we got some stuff playing now. Let's see. Yeah, scratch noises. Oh, how cool. You could be raising the roof. What else we got? That's cool. He's a Bluetooth speaker. All the other stuff doesn't work. Oh, look at him. It's serious. He's got to get to work. Oh, it's my new mascot, dude, for my DJ streams. This is so cool. The speaker is not very loud. I wouldn't take this to like for home use. This is like more like a novelty. Oh yeah, this is more of like way more of like a novelty. Just because he's DJ Rex, he can play music. Yeah, he's dope. Oh, he's so cool. Now we gotta figure out how to get him to move with the remote. So let's put him back into robot mode. Okay, RC. Then we'll hold this button down as we turn this on. Not paired. Mine's not paired. I'm gonna have to figure this out. Oof. I got him working. I finally got him working, dude, after a lot of attempts, after a couple of Google searches. Oh, we got DJ Rex. He's looking at it.
Roger, control. All set, go.
Play some music, bro. Got him working, look. Yeah. Oh man, man. Well, this is what I wanted to do, look. Oh! Oh, watch your hand, fool!
I love this song.
We got him working, he's so cool. Put your hands up. What into? So he's pretty cool. As you can see, you can play Bluetooth speaker with him as he's the remote. Look, his eyes are all open. Oh, that's cool.
Woohoo! I'm getting the hang of it.
I got sound activated over here.
You look awfully familiar.
I was getting a little worried.
Did you take a tour to Endor?
Possibly. I was getting a little worried because there were some reports of defective remotes, but somehow I figured it out for him. Oh, his head goes down. I like the way his head goes up. Got a little spring on it. Look, see the spring? That's very cool. God, thank God I got him to work. He's so cool. I love him. But look, his arms get caught up there. He's grabbing his DJ set. So cool. You gotta push those buttons like direct, like correct. Whoa!
This next song is brought to you by Mubo's Droid Depot. Mubo's. These are the droids you're looking for.
So cool. I love this thing. Oh man, I was a little worried it wasn't gonna work. For 150 bucks, he better work. So I will say it is very cool. It's very detailed. This is like one thing I did want because like the best thing I saw at Galaxy's Edge, because it's a part of Star Tours, bringing it into the future, bringing the new Galaxy's Edge. And I'm a DJ, and he's a DJ, and I had to get him. He's so cool. But hey, if this is your first time checking out D&Me and KIDULT TV, Make sure you subscribe. Subscribe to D&Me and KIDULT TV. Get you notified. Hit that bell whenever we post a new video with DJ Rex. What it do? But from D&Me and KIDULT TV, we'll see you guys all on the next unboxing video. What it do, guys?